Hello and welcome to Mr. TripAdvisor. So here's a 2020 view of the recently refreshed Legacy Vacation on Highway 192 near Kissimmee. Please like, share and subscribe. Come back tomorrow for a room review. So one of the other changes that's happened in the last few years is the whole area has been repainted and is now in sort of modern whites and greys. So this is the main lake that's around part of the complex, and we did see a little baby alligator in there, so be aware of that if you're here. Kids start playing at the water's edge. This is the main pool complex. You've got a bar over there, and they also have things like dive-in movie nights in front of the pool there. It's one of the 4 pools and one of the 2 hot tubs over there. You see little kids water park area here. This is actually a flame pit that they do s'mores and a little bit of cooking over at certain times. So I think there's 4 types of rooms, from a fairly standard room right up to a 2-bedroom suite where you have a full kitchen, a washer dryer, dishwasher, etc. So depending how much you want to pay, depends how much space you're going to get when you're here. So when you first come to check in, then it's, if you're heading down this road, it's on the right hand side is where you'll find a reception and most of the accommodation. Some of the accommodation is on the other side of that 4-lane highway with its own pool, which is half indoors and half outside. And this is where you go to check in. One of the great things about Legacy is they're definitely ahead of the curve on green issues. You'll find that from a discount to accommodation if you come here in an electric vehicle, right through to the door keys. The proximity passes are actually now made of wood, which is amazing. One of the great things I like about Legacy is just close you are to everything. You're on Highway 192, so you're about 10 minutes from most of the Disney parks, and I don't know, 5 or 6 minutes from Old Town, which is further along the road here. Lots of things have been refurbished in the last few years, including their own mini golf. So there are 4 pools here at Legacy and 2 hot tubs. Now this is the older part, the original part of Legacy Estate, and the building in front of us was like the welcome area, and you can see if you look closely it used to be a bar and sort of a restaurant. Inside there now is a full gym, and you've got the original pool here as well.